Alaikum Pakistan, Assalamu alaikum Uncle. Welcome to the Uncle's Talk program. Today we have very good questions to the Uncle. Uncle, my question is that what is the political future of Pakistan and where should we go blockwise?
Inclined.
Where should we incline blockwise? Yes.
Well, your question is finished then.
Yes.
I'll speak in English. It could become international opinion, maybe. Doesn't matter, but I'll speak in English. Well, currently studying the situation of Pakistan, whatever my experience has been within the country or out of Pakistan, I would say the political situation and the political conditions of Pakistan and the atmosphere what the country's day-to-day politics is leading at the moment, and our foreign affairs, our foreign policy, which has been a flop for the last few years. We couldn't emerge as a good negotiator or as anybody who could convince internationally to different nations to get yourself together in the form of a bloc, because bloc making has been happening for the last 70, 80, 90 years. We are not the one who are supposed to be isolated. What happened to Pakistan in the last 20, 25 years, or let's say 15 years, and in particular in this government, what happened, you have been cornered. That's a low blow for the foreign policy of your country. And the people like Shah Mahmood Qureshi, you speak in your assembly loud and you shut up internationally when you are supposed to speak and clear-cut explain your point. So is with the Prime Minister, and so is so many people, who have been ruling and governing wrong. As a smart nation, you should incline towards smart countries. If you say North America is just bullshit, I don't agree with that, my friend. First of all, religiously they are close. They are Ahl Kitab. You should learn to respect some people who are Ahl Kitab. They believe in a prophet. They believe in a book. They believe in good teaching. Why would you say that? Aapka apna book hai. Why so much hatred? America opens libraries, give you funds, try to develop as a human being, teach you human rights, teach you rights of the animals. Why are you so angry at America? What have they done to you? They have killed you all? They have taken over your country? No, they did not. So, point one, you should be a smart nation. I'm going to quote two examples. South Korea never got along with United States. They had 2 wars and a big loss they incurred in Asia 50, 60 years back then. So is Japan in the Second World War. But after these wars finished and they learned these losses were not supposed to be done for the growth of their nation, for their education, for their health, for anything else. What happened? They got on the table of dialogue. The best way to resolve a thing. The best solution is in dialogue, not in war, not throwing bullets on each other, not killing each other. You must be out of your mind, must be nuts, must be crazy, must be an idiot to do things like that. So, if the blocking is, let's be part of the game. It's a political game. You don't have to take so bad. Okay, China is your neighbor. They have done some great things. We have done something for them. We have good friendship. I'm not saying that we should avoid China. It's a good neighbor, and we will always respect China for that. So is with the other neighbors. Let's say India. Oh, why do you want to have this distance and this misleading attitude and this hatred? Human, learn. Human is a great creature, the creation of Allah, God, our Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. What he said? He used to sit down with the kafir on his chatai and teach them and convince them to the level to make them his partner and to die for him and to be impressed by his taqwa and culture and his benevolence, kindness. That's what the teaching of Islam is. तो ये अमेरिकन तो अहले किताब हैं भाई, उनमें सैकड़ों चीज़ें अच्छी हैं, अगर कुछ ख़राब होंगी और बहुत ख़राब होंगी, but that compensate them. We should have a lobby. In my inclination, if I would have been anybody who can declare something for this country, I would join America as part of the bloc and learn many, many things from them. Why are you like this? You don't want to learn? Do you see your city full of garbage? बदबू आ रही है शहर में, roads बनी हुई नहीं है आपकी, streets are not filled, food is all junk, मिलावट. What do you want to do? Now Korea is first great nation in the world because they got along with the American for the last 50 years and they built them. Their passport is number one passport in the world. So is of Japan because they become their friend. I want Pakistani passport should be respected. What happened to your passport? Your passport number is below 150 countries. We should be ashamed of our stubbornness and stupid attitude and stupid thinking. This is going to kill you, my friend, and bury you alive. Never do that. Pakistan Zindabad, our world Zindabad, North America, Canada, Germany, Europe, Japan, Korea. Make friends with them. Make friends with India as well. We don't want bloodshed with India. We could live like brothers. Thank you, Pakistan. Don't take me wrong. Love Pakistan. Pakistan Zindabad. I love you all. My love for all of you. But you have my opinion. And you have something contrary, call me. Write to me. Write your comments. This channel is going to go because it's going to teach you the truth and make you a truthful citizen of the world. Thank you very much. I love you all. Thank you.